Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. Here we have the Firelight MS4 demonstration board. I have some new devices on it for the system test. For the pull station, I have a Simplex Canadian single action pull station. I'm completely blanking on the model number, but it is Canadian and it's branded by Simplex. Right here we have a system sensor 2-wire i3 smoke detector. And up here we have a system sensor low frequency horn strobe set to 135 candela. And obviously right here we have the Firelight MS4 fire alarm panel, smoke detectors on zone 2 and pull stations on zone 1. And in this test we are joined by, he requested these devices. So we're going to go ahead and do the pull station first. 3, 2, 1. Now I have some tape over it, so it's not actually that loud, but without tape, they're very loud. Alright, now I can go ahead and reset the pull station, like that. And now I can go ahead and do the smoke detector. I haven't tested this for a few videos, so hopefully it still works. There it goes. Alright. Go ahead and pull this off to blow it out. Put that back in. And reset the system. Alright, so that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like the video, subscribe, and join the Discord server in the link in the description.